boys and girls. Number corner for today, Wednesday. We are going to take a look at our calendar, and we are still in the month of November. Remember, November starts with a capital N because it's the name of a month, November. All right, well, today is Wednesday, and so let's take a look at the cards that we have on the calendar. So we have one whole cookie, then we have a bear that said chomp. Yesterday we had a cookie, but it was split in half. So we could see half and half. So today for Wednesday, we are going to flip our card over and see what Wednesday, November 4th is. Well, it's two dogs, and it says gulp, gulp. So today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're only going to do our calendar observations every other day, and you'll see why with the pattern. So we did Monday, and it was a whole cookie, and we said the bear chomped down the whole cookie. So now today, 11-4, we have the two dogs that gulped down half a cookie. So we're going to write half, and then I'll write that. And then our sentence that goes with it can be each dog gulped down half a cookie. So the card that has the picture is going to tell us what happened to the cookie and how much of the cookie. So we will say each dog, because there are two of them, gulped down half of a cookie. And that makes sense with our picture. Each dog gulped down half of the cookie. Okay, so then we can just move over and finish this up over here. Okay, so we'll want to color in another day of school. Because today is Wednesday. And so we can see that we've been in school for 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42 days. Okay, 42. Take our 10s plus our 1s. 40 plus 2. We can decompose this number 40 a couple different ways. We could add 20 plus 20 plus 2. We could also add 10 plus 10 plus 10 more plus 10 more. There's our 4 10s, plus 1 plus 1 more to make 42. Today is November 4th, 2020. And we would write the digital date as 11-4-20. All right, so now moving into our calendar collector clock. So what we're doing is, remember that we are collecting an hour for every day that we're in school. So like yesterday was the first day we were in school in November. Today is the second day, so we're going to add one more hour. So I can move my hour hand over to the 2 to show 2 hours for 2 days. And I'm going to color in the second day, the second hour over here like this. And then you can see that our clock, our analog clock, now says 2 o'clock. So I can just change my hour, because the hour goes first on a digital clock, 2 o'clock. And when this minute hand is up here on the 12, it's always o'clock or 00. And here we'll color, or we'll circle for another hour, okay, another day in school. So we're on our second hour, 2 o'clock. And what I want to show you today is that we can also display these little clocks. So like this one, this analog clock matches this analog clock, right? So that will just go here. Let's just use this one. I'll stick it in here. So that's the analog side of it. But then we can also show you the digital side, the digital clock. And the digital clock looks like this, which is what I've been doing underneath the clock, 2 o'clock. So these two things are the same time. We have 2 o'clock on our analog and 2 o'clock on our digital clock. All right, and then let's flip over 2 days, 41 and 42, and I did add 42 to our number line because we've been in school for 42 days. Okay, so tomorrow, when it's Thursday, we'll just be updating a few things on Number Corner, but not doing a calendar observation. So that's Number Corner.